I'ma let her fuck, yeah what? I'ma pass it to my young nigga. I don't give a fuck about none of this shit right now. I'ma do it for my young niggas.
I'm Sean Nagle from Canada here, around Hamilton, Ontario. I'm out in Acton, but I got 8 ZV6 Sundown 12s on a single JP93 at half ohm. I have 6 Down4sound SFX 8s and 8 Sundown, I think, ETR 1s for tweeters. 270 amp hour Shenquan lithium bank with a 2000 farad Shenquan supercat bank. Singer 290 amp volt.
What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.